The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. Bafana through to the knockout stages of the FIFA World Cup 2026. Evan goes better like Korea, Japan. Yay. Imbali so. Yeah. Because for the first time, Singena knockout stages the FIFA World Cup. Normally, sizla ngojika pha group stages. Sibe number 3 or number 4, but namhlanje senze imbali. Coach Hugo Bros becomes the first coach of Bafana to take Bafana to knockout stages. The FIFA World Cup. They expanded FIFA World Cup because now we are through to the last 32. Mr. Tso, mandikubulise legend, kunjani?
Mfethu ngibulise Msenkeu, ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise my chairman, ngibulise uBobo Caruso. Ngibulisa na umhlekazi omhle ungasukubhubha ngecawa
legend. Yeah.
Shane, you know, there's one thing that I always say, and it's there to the people. If it's not broken, what are you fixing? I'm saying this, Shane, because when we were playing the qualifying games, when we play our normal system, the attacking one, 4-3-3, we qualify easily. Nice.
They fear us.
There was a time where they took 3 points for us with the yellow card teams.
Yes.
But we continued.
We still continued to qualify at all.
So now, Shane, the game against the Church, what happened? Coach Ubwele back to our roots.
Yeah.
Then what happened?
The formation that you know,
we got
the football that you know,
got a point.
The style of that you know, the flair, everything.
We got a point. We scored a goal. Now, about 30 seconds ago. You know, Shane, it's important that when we are coaches, you need to believe in what you've got. And put your faith in it and say, you know what, whatever happened, I will stay with this, and I don't care who says what, but I'll stick to this. Because this system of Hugo Bros, it's working for him. It's working for us. It's working for our players. We've got players for this system of 4-3. The system that he played against in Mexico, I don't know what happened to him. But now, he said, I'm going to do this. I said, I have time. We're going to win 1-0.
I was coming there. Because when you said 1-0, Mr. Nkeu, he was not convinced.
Yeah.
I said, no, I think umthandazo. But he was right on the other side because even umthandazo, Mr. So, because this is our country. So we had to be positive. And first half. Now this is just my wish. Yes, me to a wish, but if we ball first half, first half, 4 shots on target.
Yes.
They had 0.
Yes.
So the confidence besides by from the fact that you are South African, it's from the fact that you could see the stats per Putin. But 1-0, Mr. So, Lumfana, ukore inqaku Mr. So, simxolele ngezamisi aziphosile first half. Umdlalo wakhe namhlanje unjani na so?
Shane, I can take you back to the previous game. The boy did wonders.
Yeah.
We got a penalty through him.
Yeah.
Again tonight, we've got a goal through him. Actually, for me, I will punish him a bit to say, why do we have to wait for so long? We had chances first half. Bury it. Let's finish the game first half.
I remember
we
had
chances.
Counted about 2. We said, God, we should have scored.
Finish. Let's finish them first half. Why do you wait for them to breathe? Because, you know, this is a high level of football, Shane. And when you make mistakes like this, other teams, they punish you. They punish you. No chance. They punish you. So when he got chances that he got first half, bury them, boy. And then if now we get this one, it's upon us. We're cruising nicely. We don't have to pray. We don't have to say, now we have to defend. Because to us, the last 10, 15 minutes, it was very tough. Very tough for everyone. Like, I could feel, now I'm clearly, you know what, it's very tough for these boys because they had to defend. They have to call everyone. Sure. I saw Mahopa also in front of our big box. Everyone was there. It was very tough. But with him, Masego, he was supposed to make it easier for us, not to find ourselves working so hard. But Shane, well done to the coach. Well done to the players. They've worked very hard. Stole today, he first half he was a bit sleeping.
But interviewed or without talking about Stole because he's come under fire in the last couple of games.
Yeah.
Even besides like game Qala where he got a red card.
Yes.
Even in the qualifiers, Stole. But we have to be as loud as Olahlobo Sililo ngoku he was abengasiniki lento siyifunayo. Yasithola namhlanje so can't rate it.
Look, Shane, I can give him 5. You know, I can give him 5. First half, he was not giving us what we want from him. But second half, I think let me put it this way.
Yeah.
Where we needed him
The most.
he came to the party.
Let's give him 7.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
He
played
well. It's because that's how crucial it is as a defensive midfielder. Where we need you, can you come? That's what he did. You know, sometimes when we need him, let's build up, let's do that. He was not there. But now, when we needed him to say we're defending, we need those strong guys there. He was there. He said, "I'm one of them." And for me, well done, Yaya. You know, let's leave the rest. Days are not the same, you know. But you know, in this game tonight, the last 20, 25 minutes, you came to the party, you did what a defensive midfielder should do.
Yazi into emnandi wena msetso ngoba you fan yebhola sometimes whether kudlala team yakho or your national team uba na privilege ukuthi ubone I starting lineup usike enhloko sibe singesizwe sawukhushwa ngokucoach bros kwi starting lineup zonke bendizibona on social media throughout the week zonke they had uRelebohile Mofokeng at number 10 and he started at number 10 namhlanje udlale njani so.
Look, he played very well. He played very well. You know, the understanding, especially with Masego, they had a very good understanding. That's why I'm saying Masego, I'll punish him a bit because, you know, all the creativity that came with Mofokeng, he was supposed to bury them. He had the other one first half, the pass from Mofokeng, we were supposed to bury 2 of them. And then again, second half, he had another one again. So, look, he did very well. I saw him also chasing, coming to help in the midfield, you know, and when we get the ball, he was there. Even the goal, he played that pass to, and remember, before I can talk about a goal, I said, Apolise out, or either Renas or Moremi. We need a winger on the left-hand side so that we can balance right and left. And the coach did very well to put Moremi on that side. And what did Mofokeng? He played that forward pass for Moremi. Moremi uses his speed and again put that cross pass to Masego. Well done. So for me, look, Mofokeng did very well. I'm very happy seeing him in that position because he gave us something that we were looking for in terms of if we get the ball from the defensive midfielders, can we get somebody that can turn and then play a forward pass and then you go forward? And he did that.
Mr. So, enkosi kakhulu. I don't know. Beke nabona uStizi ephakamile nazi ukuthi benike isignal kwanye belungisa izinto zakhe na but masivale uthi okay uthi is fine. Uthi okay it's fine. Siwinile Mr. So we are all excited. For the first time ever since ndafika Abetiski TV. I've seen you celebrating goals. I've seen Ubobo celebrating goals. I've seen Ubobo celebrating goals. I've seen people celebrating goals. But for the first time, namhlanje, I saw Ustizi jumping up and down celebrating the goal.
No. It tells you how much all of us invested our lives in the game. You know, he also invested his life to the game to say our team, our boys are playing there. So whatever happens there, it really did touch him.
Wow. Masivale. Bafana through to the last 32 of the FIFA World Cup 2026. Sizodlala again in Canada, we next stage. Asbaza abanye. Hello, Nigeria. hello to the other people who didn't qualify for FIFA World Cup. We are going through to the last 32. You said we will not make it, but thank you so much for watching us in Nigeria. Continue to watching us also in the last 32. Siyabulela. Inkosi kakhulu.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.